We are officially moving out of our downtown Austin apartment and I'm doing a tour. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath on 3rd and Brazos at the Whitley. And I have to say this location has been freaking awesome. We're really close to a few really yummy coffee spots. We're a walks away from the Capitol and the Paramount Theater and a lot of other iconic Austin spots. A 2-mile walk from UT. And obviously when like South by Southwest happens, we're like a walks away from everything. So it has been really nice staying here. I'm gonna miss it a lot. It was our first apartment, first living space from when we got married. And it's our first home with our cat who was a baby when she moved here, Daisy May. And so a lot of great memories here. So if you end up moving into apartment 1217, tell it we miss it. I have a mat here, and this is the front door. Right when you walk in, there's a closet on this side. Decent amount of closet space. So that's that. And then, Daisy, to the immediate left is gonna be the first bathroom, or essentially the guest bathroom. This is the bathroom. Pretty standard. Got a towel rack, of course, here. The toilet, we installed a bidet. Stay clean, everybody. And these are the cabinets, the mirror, and the light fixtures that they use. And then there's a spotlight here, and we have a spotlight here that is out. The next room is right across. Daisy looks so cute. So this we essentially made Zohaib's study. I won't deep dive in here because it's not really my space. I don't really come into here at all. Those are his clothes, please ignore that. But he had more things on the wall, but now he's less motivated. Obviously we're moving. There's a fan here. There is his closet. He keeps his stuff primarily here because there's not enough space in the master closet that you'll see for him to put his stuff there. These are some things we're giving away per the move. This is a cute mirror shot. This is our entry table. This is the kitchen. These are Whirlpool appliances, so oven, dishwasher, and microwave. Obviously, same with our fridge too. A giant collection of magnets and pictures and notes and all sorts of things on there. The light fixtures for the kitchen. Zohaib put these up for my birthday and I never had the heart to take them down because I think it looks so good. I do love how in this kitchen there are these clear cabinets so that it really highlights our mug collection, which I will very much miss. What we got so far, halfway done with the tour. This is the washer dryer area. So it's a mess. I don't want to show this too much, but washing machine, dryer, Whirlpool, don't love them, but don't hate them. There is a light for this room. Now we've got the living room. So Daisy's food sits over there. Her water fountain actually sits on the kitchen counter. The best part is very clearly gonna be the view, which the camera is focusing on without me even trying. So this is the room. And then that, of course, is the view. So it's really cool because you can see the football stadium, UT football stadium, and this infamous building in Austin right from our balcony. We don't open this often just cause, oh, it's chilly today. We don't open this often just cause of Daisy. We're not trying to, you know, have her jump off the balcony. There's really not, like if you look at my foot, it's not a ton of space. So it's not like you can sit out here, but it could be a nice breeze. And then let's go to the master. So entering the master bedroom. Again, we've got the wonderful window with view. And if you notice, the roller here is more sheer than the roller here, which is nice. This room blacks out more. I made this sort of area my art storage area, where we're able to fit, I believe this is a queen size bed. This is from a different birthday that Zoe put up. There's a fan and there's 2 sets of lights. One's the bigger ones and then the smaller one here. So let me show you the view. You come through here. Of course, you've got that same view as the living room. But yeah, so that looks pretty cool from this window too. And let's go to the bathroom. So we've got, you know, obviously our bathroom mats. This is a giant mirror that goes across. Same light fixtures, the lights out there. Lights go out really quick, y'all. This is the sink situation. We've got a, you know, storage here. Generally keep like towels and bed sheets and all that good stuff here. This is the shower. Got all the stuffs. Toilet, and then we've got the storage on top of the toilet. And then we've got the master closet. This has got, you know, some storage along built-in storage on the sides. But this, of course, mostly holds just my stuff. Master bathroom situation. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment, but thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. I do travel, art, and general vlog style videos. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.